Pure Daily Care sent me their Aromatherapy bundle for my review, and I'm excited to turn it on and try it for the very first time. So it comes with the beautiful diffuser, and the best part is it actually comes with 10 different essential oils, which is really great because normally you have to get these separately. So the fact that you've got the probably I'm assuming the top 10 ones, I think that's really fantastic. And we'll go through some of those in a minute. So first of all, I just kind of want to test out the machine, take a look at it. So I did plug it in. So the plug, it does come with the plug, of course. So it goes down here, and then you've got the little spot here so that you can actually put the cord there. So then you can lay this flat on a desk. And then we're going to go ahead and add the water. I just wanted to see, okay, so there is a minimum and a maximum line inside there. So I do have some water, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to spill and make an absolute mess. Yep, that just went all over me. That's totally fine. So we're going to go ahead and put that in there like so. And then, yeah, I see the power buttons on the front. So let's just take a second here to see what kind of essential oils we have. So we have nutmeg, interesting. Peppermint. Peppermint is always one with that one, and lemongrass. We've got lavender. We've got clove. Yeah, definitely all the top ones here. Oh, eucalyptus. Eucalyptus, definitely my favorite. Jasmine. Man, they definitely have all that. Spearmint. This is really great. We've got orange. Oh, I do love orange. I didn't think I was going to, and then I started using it, and I absolutely love it. Tea tree is also a really, really good one. And then lemongrass. Okay, I was like, oh, they don't have the lemongrass, but they do. Let's go ahead and go with the, so many good choices. Eucalyptus. Can't go wrong. So let's go ahead, open that up. And usually you just need a couple little dabs inside there. Well, that's even probably too much. You can even mix some of these as well. There's lots of different places that will show you, we have really bad mosquitoes. So sometimes when you mix some of these, it kind of is like a repellent, which is really great. So I'm going to go ahead and put this here. The lid goes on top. And then in the front here, so we just have, we have the light, and then we have the mist. So you can turn this on for an hour, 3 hours, 6 hours, and then it just says on. If you keep it on, as long as it if you fill it up to the maximum, you're going to get 8 hours of continuous of the diffuser mist, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and turn that on. Did I not? I think I plugged in. Oh, here we go. Okay. It's because I didn't see the light. So then we have the light. So there's 15 different light modes. Hopefully we can actually see them because I have so many lights in here right now. It's kind of hard to see the different lights. So I have them, but it's just so faint. There we go. So we've got the green, we've got purple. I wonder if I turn this off, if it will help. No, it doesn't help. I don't know. Hopefully you can see that a little bit. We've got purple. So all kinds of different lights. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring this on to the continuous hours. And then we've got the diffuser going. Oh, I think I turned the mist off. Let's go back to the mist. There we go. So we've got our mist. It smells like eucalyptus. So good. So really pretty, obviously, and then you can see that light right here. So what I am going to do is I'm going to turn off the lights in a second so that you can actually see this without all the bright lights everywhere. But I do think it is really cool. It's pretty. I love the design of it. It looks super modern. And again, the fact that it comes with 10 of your most essential, or I was going to say most essential oils, or the top essential oils, I think that is really great. So if you are looking for a diffuser kit, this one is fantastic.